off.
It was me.
He's already up to 6.
Oh, look how slick.
Yeah.
Or
These reels. Gentle on the trigger.
Track call.
The green Ferrari.
yeah. Well, you could do a lot of things with it. Big loop in it.
Sorry, thanks.
It's okay, but it's all me. Good effort, Pat.
Attention, 1 minute left.
Take
Track call.
that. Take that.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. End of stint. Please change lanes. Track call. Rider detected.
Oh, you popped out.
Track call.
I'd have got you sooner, but me and Shane are right next to each other. I'm back in business.
Harry's got a drift car. Yeah, I think so.
Track call.
Sorry, that was me. Here we go.
Oh, you butter.
Attention, 1 minute left.
Oh, God.
Thirty seconds.
Oh, you dog. Oh, what now? Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah, come on, go get Mommy's game. Oh, yeah. Take your time, take your time. Gonzo's got the lead.
10 seconds.
You want up blue and or
Instant.
and blue.
Please change lanes. Track call. Attention, 1 minute left. Track call.
Main Street, red cow.
Sorry.
Let's go. Here we go.
I restart. I
30 seconds.
Ah!
10 seconds. End of stint. Please change lanes.
Here we go.
Track call.
Ryder. Best case scenario.
Had to try it.
Yeah. Had to give it a go. Thanks, Steve. Yep.
Track call.
Coaster. God dang it. It's gone to coaster.
Batmobile out.
Don, if things come on that oval, y'all get ready. Lots of ready. Well, green go. Coach. That's my bill. Carry beans, coach.
Yeah.
Attention, 1 minute left. Thirty seconds. End of stint. Please change lanes.
We got on that other one too. I
Track call. Track call.
No, buddy.
Attention, 1 minute left. Seconds. Track call.
That coast. That was so slow, man. She's cruising now. I think I found that down into some good tire. Sorry, Cody. All right.
Track call. End of stint. Please change lanes.
Sounds like you're giving laps away.
There he is.
Running down. Running. You got it. Yep, you got it. There it is.
Attention, 1 minute left.
Did you both get your lap?
I don't know, Bill. Gonzo did for sure.
Anthony, yes. Gonzo did?
Yeah, I got mine. I'm just saying, I can be in the lead. I got my lap.
30 seconds.
Oh, maybe I spelled your email wrong. I'll double check and resend. But yeah, the body's been out today. No problem. You get your PayPal, right?
10 seconds.
Yeah, I'll check the spelling and make sure I say it. Thank you. You bet.
End of stint. Please change lanes. Track code.
Yeah, I can see it. Roll white
There's something wrong with why you're
right
coming
there.
out.
Now, White's what I started on, and I drove it just fine.
You ruined the lane for everybody else.
That was the worst. No, that was the worst thing
Watch
I
the
did.
row, I've done nothing in it.
Yeah, come out, I said it both
Needs
times.
to be rolled.
Does it look any better?
Yeah, yeah, looks like you got it.
Happy
You want me to roll
Play
it?
the ball
Yeah.
as it lies.
Got me, man. Got me.
What lane is that one? Yellow and red?
Every
Here, I got
place.
the 117 on.
Yeah, but you're about to get another lap.
Yeah. Needs to fall.
Let's do it.
Cup race was better. They didn't tear up anything this year.
Yeah.
That car's low.
Like you said, there was a lot of racing back in the back, not much up front.
Yeah.
Okay. A is on. Here we go. Why not put down like that? That will be fair. He did it positive. Yeah, I know.
Attention, 1 minute left.
Oh, your dollar, Cody.
Everybody taking that, he's taking that dollar back.
That's it.
30 seconds.
Gary's got some horsepower.
Ten seconds. End of stint. Please change lanes.
Shut it out.
We just saved you this heat.
Exactly. If you win,
Stonzo will still beat me.
if you win this race,
You should have just gone to the red spot now.
We just saved you.
It's handling worse.
yeah,
You should have left it out.
Really?
No.
Why handle that?
No.
Track code.
Oh. I did not see your car, Cody. I'm sorry. Keep my stuff.
Track code.
I bumped tire.
Attention, 1 minute left. Track
What I didn't
code.
want to do, I did. That was Martian. I did what I didn't want to do. Same spot.
30 seconds.
I did. Ah! My short gun was that up to give you.
10 seconds. End of race.
Oh, I got a lap too. Barely. Good race.
All right, 20s for Dow. It's gone for that segment. Shane had 19, Terry 18, Cody had 16.